Hey there, my name's David. On this episode, I'm going to be showing you a branch that broke off my cherry tree multiple years ago, and I planted it, and now it's a tree. Now, first off, I'm going to take off this goofy hat. The only reason I was wearing it is because you could probably see I'm was pretty severely sunburned, and now I'm peeling like crazy. So what you see here to my left is a fruit salad tree. This tree has a rootstock of apricot, and then has two different types of peaches, plums, cherry, nectarine, and something else. There's like 7 different things on this tree. I put this in the ground 3.5 years ago, and now it's absolutely thriving. But one of the branches broke off, which was a cherry tree branch. You can see the cherries here. So these are the cherry tree branches. This one's got actually quite a few cherries on it all the way through here. They're all green right now, so give that a month and I'll be eating cherries. But one of the branches broke off, which you can see here, and now it's a full tree. So today I'm gonna dig this up and I'm gonna move it to the other side of my yard because it's gonna soon be crowding out this space. I didn't really know if it was gonna take or not, and I just kind of stuck in the ground on a whim, and yeah, so I'm gonna put it on the other side of my yard now. So before I dig it up, let's just take a look at it. So you can see it's very healthy, nice straight growth to it with just a couple of branches, 3 branches on it, 4, something like that. And yeah, nothing more to it. So all I did for this is I just took the branch and literally stuck it in the ground and just started watering it. And 3 years later, I'm actually surprised because this year it's almost doubled in size over the past few months. So I'm guessing this might actually fruit like next year. All right, so now I'm in the front of my yard. I'm going to be planting this tree here. This is my morning glory box. Morning glory keeps growing here. And surprisingly, I just burnt the morning glory, and last year it didn't come back, but this year it is. So I'm gonna have to bring out some vinegar for that. But basically I'm gonna be putting it here, and I've got rhubarb underneath it as well as a white albino blackberry. So I'm just gonna put it right in the center of this box. I got this rhubarb, which was underneath some of this cardboard. This cardboard is gonna get covered by wood chips, so it won't look like a junkyard in here. But yeah, this box actually covered with newspapers, and it's for the most part got rid of the morning glory in here. And I figure I'll just have the blackberry, the rhubarb, and then this cherry tree right here. This is gonna be a major upgrade in soil quality from where the cherry tree was. So I got a bunch of black gold back here. All right, that should do it. It took me forever to dig this tree out on the back there because I had a couple of these long roots. Sadly, I did cut a couple of them, but for the most part, they're pretty good. Yeah, so now we just want to properly orientate this because I don't want it growing out this way. I'm gonna have to trim it near the fence. So I've got this branch, and then I've got this one. So if I rotate it this way and have this one grow this way, and then I can trim it to the fence there. Maybe rotate it a bit like that. We'll see. All right, so I'm gonna make my hole bigger because I got long roots, I forgot. But something like this, I think would be perfect. So that looks just right. I'm just gonna hold that in place and just get some of this soil back in here. Oh, the blackberry's now attacking me. All right, so I like the placement of that. I just gotta fix its leaning a bit, but this branch can grow out this way, this one parallel to the fence, and we're good. All right, that does it. So I got my tree planted. I just need to water it now. Whenever you plant a new tree or move a tree, you need to put a lot of water in it. You want to get down to the roots and promote growth so it becomes anchored. But yeah, I'm liking how this looks, so we'll see what happens next year. But if this ends up producing cherries or not, or if this even survives, who knows. But hopefully you enjoyed this episode. Just a little update here to show you what happened with this tree, and the fact that you can actually grow fruit trees, in this case a cherry tree, just off of a single branch. And all it is, it just broke off. I stuck it in the soil. That was it. So if you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe. And until next episode, have a great day.